Hi folks, today we have a 2009 Mini Cooper Clubman, and nice little car, chocolate brown color. One problem that we have with it, it's got a nice big panoramic sunroof. However, there's no shade in the sunroof. The light still diffuses through. So that's the problem that we want to fix today. So as you can see, the light just comes right on through, which is great sometimes, but sometimes not so much. If I want the light to come through, I'll open my sunroof. So I found on eBay a product. It is a complete blackout. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this to size, and we're going to fit it in the sunroof to cover it up. And if we want the light to come through, we'll open the sunroof. So part's been ordered. We got it today. Super excited to cut it up, and we'll see how easy it'll be to get it on there. So this kit that I got from China, from our friends at eBay, came with a blade and a nice old-fashioned tailor's tape measure. So what we're going to do, we measured in the glass what the measurement was. So it's approximately 19.5 inches by 12.5 inches. So this is, I believe, 18 inches. So we're going to very simply measure off our 19.5 mark. And we're going to get our straight edge. We're going to cut that. We're going to measure the 12.5 inches, and then we're going to move on to the next step in the car and see if we can get it to fit in there. So our first step is we are going to clean the glass really good. So if you have alcohol, that would be fantastic. I have Windex, and that'll be good too. I wouldn't really use anything else. You want something that's going to cut through the grease. So that's why alcohol is really good, but unfortunately I don't have any. I'm pretty sure the Windex will do a good job too though. So you want to clean it really well. Some water spots, but they're on the outside so they don't bother us. And then let's see if we can get this paper to stick. So I got a little squirt bottle just with some soapy water. Just like dish soap, nothing fancy. Lemon scented if you like. Just gonna get it wet. This is just so we're gonna be able to position it properly, and then we'll squeegee it out. So now you're supposed to take 2 pieces of tape. There's a backing film. The shiny side's the backing film. Put 2 pieces of tape to peel the backing film off. That's not working so good. Huh. Maybe our nails will work better. Not really. Maybe I need better tape. They have really good tape in China? I'm not sure. So finally, working with the old nails, we're able to get started here. And it's really not that sticky actually. I think it's really sticky. I think we still don't want our fingerprints on it, if possible though. Get that off. And hopefully we can Okay, so not exactly easy. I don't know, if you've window tinted before, it might be a lot easier. I've never done that. And the scraper they gave me is ridiculous. I happen to have another one, which is a little bit bigger, which certainly made it a lot easier. So you just gotta, the material is very forgiving, you can tear very easy, have a little trim work to do. You just want to get all the bubbles out, but it just darkens things up and gives it a nice look, I think. All in all, not too bad. There's a back sunroof as well, so we'll get to working on that one next, and then we'll be all done. Okay, so that's it. That's a wrap. Literally. All in all, it looks pretty good. It's opaque, what I wanted. It wasn't a nightmare to put up. At least you can reposition it pretty well. You just want to make sure all the air bubbles are out. Like I said, I got it off eBay. If you Google search sunroof stickers for Mini Coopers, Clubmans, there's all tons. Not everybody wants a Union Jack on your roof, so this was an other alternative, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's black. If I want the sunroof open, I'll open the sunroof and the light will come in. So, that's a sunroof sticker for 2009 Mini Cooper Clubman. Thanks for watching.